Now we will do English fragrance. In this we had completed chapter number 4 and I explained the chapter number 5, a genie in a bottle. I told a story in the last video and afterwards now we are going to start the textual exercise in the textbook. That whatever we are doing that you have to do in the textbook only. And on page number 33, tick the correct answer and answer this question that are given that we will do afterwards. Because tick the correct answer we can do in the textbook, but in the notebook we will write answer these questions. That all the question answer we will write in the notebook afterwards. And here question C, answer the following question with reference to context. That also we will write in the notebook afterwards. So on this page we will see the grammar part. Verbs. This topic we had done in grammar also. The words that tell what a person, animal or thing does are known as doing words or verbs. Verbs means doing words. Whatever the place, person, thing or animal are doing any work, that is called verbs or doing words. Now here one exercise is there. Circle the verbs in the following sentences. Anu laughs at the joker. So you can see laughs is a verb, you have to circle on it. Second, the cobbler mends my shoes. Cobbler mends. So mends is a verb, you have to circle on it. Mother cooks tasty food. Cooks is a verb, circle on it. Miss Aruna teaches English. So teaches is a verb. Manu plays with his friends. So plays is a verb. Now we will see simple past tense. Past tense means what? The work that is done before. जो कुछ समय पहले हो चुका है उसके बारे में अगर हमें कुछ बताना है then we will write in the simple past tense. जैसे कि कल मैं मूवी देखने गया था. I went to the movie yesterday. So this is the sentence of simple past tense. Now we will see some other sentences. Read this sentence. Narayan washed the bottle. This sentence tells something that happened in the past. Verbs often change their forms when we use them to describe what happened in the past. एग्जाम्पल वॉश वॉश्ड मतलब जो पहले हो चुका है उसके लिए अगर हमें कुछ लिखना है तो जो वर्ब का फॉर्म है उसको हमें चेंज करना पड़ता है और हमें पास्ट टेंस के फॉर्म में लिखना पड़ता है. व्हेनेवर वी आर राइटिंग द वर्ब in the simple past tense we have to change the form of verb. Now here is the exercise. Rewrite the sentences given below in the past tense. Here sentences are written in present tense but we have to write in past tense. And one hint is also given. We have to add ed or d to the verbs. Whatever the verbs are there we have to add d or ed. Now here the swimmers dive into the pool. So what will we write? The swimmers dived. Here we will write dive, D-I-V-E-D, dived into the pool. Second sentence, the team members play well. So the team members played, ed, we will add ed, played well. Third sentence, the pupils listen carefully to the teacher. So the pupils listen is the verb, we will add ed, listened carefully to the teacher. I use the bell for a very special purpose. So I use, we have to add D. I used the bell for a very special purpose. Now sometimes verbs change their forms completely when they show past tense. कुछ वर्ब ऐसे होते हैं कि जिसका फॉर्म बिल्कुल ही चेंज हो जाता है, जैसे कि ईट, उसका होता है पास्ट टेंस एट. सो सम वर्ब्स आर लाइक दैट. Verb change their forms completely when they show past tense. Now we will go to the next page. Complete these sentences using the past tense form of the verbs given in the bracket. First one, my mother dashed me a chocolate yesterday. The yesterday shows this is the sentence of past tense and the verb is given here give. We have to write here gave. My mother gave me a chocolate yesterday. I dash the page by mistake. The verb is given here tear. We have to write T-O-R-E, tore. I tore the page by mistake. The frightened fisherman dash on the ground. The verb is given fall. The past tense of fall is fell. She dashed to the circus and the verb is given go. We have to write the past tense of go, that is went. And the fifth one, the bird dash out of the cage. Here is given fly. The past tense of fly is flew. So we have to remember the past tense form of the verb. Then only we can write the sentences in the past tense. Now next, word wise, what are these? Fill the missing letters. I grow with leaves and branches, and we have to write here in the blank, the first letter is given T. So we can write here tree, T-R-E-E. You cook your food on it. So first letter is S, so we can write stove, S-T-O-V-E. You wear them on your feet, but they are not shoes. The first letter is S and we will write the next letters S-O-C-K-S, socks. It keeps time on your wrist. The word is W and then W-A-T-C-H, watch. So this is the exercise for word wise. Now here telling directions. So this is the activity that you can do with your friends or brothers or sisters, that you have to see the sketch the below. यहाँ पर जो पिक्चर दिया है वो देखो. Work in pairs and have a conversation using words in the box. In the box, whatever the words are given, that you have to use while conversation. Pupil A asks questions and pupil B answers. Then reverse roles. एक स्टूडेंट क्वेश्चन पूछेगा और दूसरा स्टूडेंट उसको आंसर देगा. उसके बाद जो दूसरा स्टूडेंट आंसर दे रहा था वो फिर बाद में क्वेश्चन पूछेगा और दूसरा आंसर देगा. सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू do the practice for conversation also, and you can use these words while conversation. One example is given here. Excuse me, can you please tell me the way to the library? And the boy is answering, sure, go straight and turn right, the fifth room in the library. So like this you have to do the practice for the conversation with your friends or parents or cousins. Okay, so keep practicing for this conversation, and I hope all of you understood the chapter that we had done in the textbook. So all of you read it again, watch the video for this chapter and read it again and do the exercise in the textbook. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.